Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can send pictures from your camera roll in Snapchat messages. So select a message. I'll just select one for the AI one, and then I'll select this image button here. Select the image that you want to send, or even a video. I'm just going to send this one, and I'm going to press the send button here. I just sent it to AI. I don't know what it's going to respond, but yeah, that is it. Okay, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.